Hemet Ryan traffic, Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, taking runway 23 for departure. Don't see anybody there. Runway is clear. Back to our map here. Everything looks good there. Let's go. Maintaining center line. Looks good. We're looking for 79, 76, and here we go. We're off. Staying below 108. Here's coming up. Lights are out. Oh, here in the mirror. Continuing that climb, lights off. Hemet Ryan traffic, Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, just departed runway 23, switching over to departure, and I've got the airplane to my about 11 o'clock now. Hemet Ryan. Departure Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, climbing through 2,400.
November 484 Hotel Papa, March approach, March altimeter 2989, ident.
2989 ident for Hotel Papa.
November 4 Hotel Papa, radar contact 4 miles southwest of Hemet Ryan 3000.
Affirmative, and I'm ready to get back on that Ishbit flight plan now. I did depart VFR for 484 Hotel Papa.
November 4 Hotel Papa, roger, continue flying southwest bound for coordination.
Continue flying southwest bound for Hotel Papa. I'm going to turn more this direction, steer clear of that airspace.
Number 4 Hotel Papa, traffic 10 o'clock, 3 miles northwestbound, altitude indicates 4,500, type unknown.
Roger, looking 484 Hotel Papa.
4 Hotel Papa, maintain 4,000 for now. That previous call traffic that's here 10 o'clock, 2 miles northwestbound, 4,500.
Roger, I'll continue climbing. I'll level off 4,000 and still looking for Hotel Papa. Oh, got him. 484 Hotel Papa, I've got the traffic in sight. Heading looks pretty good. Autopilot on, heading mode active, and we're going to level off here.
November 4 Hotel Papa, cleared to Van Nuys Airport. As previously issued, fly heading 260, climb maintain 5,000.
Cleared to Van Nuys as previously issued, heading 260, climb maintain 5,000 for Hotel Papa. Alright, traffic is no longer a factor.
November 4 Hotel Papa, contact SoCal approach 134.0.
134.0, take care for Hotel Papa.
March, flight present heading, climb maintain 12,000.
Good morning, SoCal, Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, heading 260, climbing through 4,900.
404 Hotel Papa, SoCal approach, proceed direct to Paradise, climb maintain 6,000.
Proceed direct to Paradise, climb maintain 6,000 now for Hotel Papa, thanks.
Plus 2233, traffic at 12 o'clock at about 5 miles, MD-11, southeastbound 7,000.
14, 14,000, EPS 5915 heavy.
4,000.
Trying to maintain VFR at or below 11,000.
Alright, speed and everything is still looking good.
3244, connect approach 127.0.
About 500 feet to go until we level off at that 6,000.
EPS 5915 heavy, climb maintain 14,000.
Simon 14,000, EPS 5915 heavy.
Plus 2233, approach 128.1, traffic no factor. Plus 2233, approach 128.1, traffic no factor.
Traffic 1,800 feet above us. Looks like they'll be at
4371, reduce speed to 190 and connect approach 128.1. 4 Hotel Papa, traffic 12 to 1 o'clock and about 2 miles eastbound is, I believe it's a short, descending through 6.
Roger, traffic in sight should be no factor, 484 Hotel Papa.
Air 7, traffic passing behind you is the Seneca 6,000.
Air 7 in sight.
Looking over these mountains brought us up by about 100 feet, so let's get back down to that 6 grand.
Lookout Skyline 42148 at 4004. Request climb 7000.
6040.
42148, SoCal for now. Just maintain VFR at 7000. I've got one arrival that's going to be descending to 8, and that just gives us a little more space. I'll have 75 here shortly.
Roger, out of below 7140.
Altitude select.
148, actually, let's go ahead and min your altitude. Just maintain 5500. So I've got traffic at 6000. That's off your 12 o'clock and about 2 miles. It's a Seneca at 6. So just maintain 55. I'll have higher past then.
55 140.
For Hotel Papa, connect approach 125.5. For Hotel Papa, affirmative, connect approach on 125.5. There's going to be Skylane traffic opposite direction. They're at a 5 for 55 right now.
Roger that. I will be looking 125.5. Take care, 4 Hotel Papa.
Southwest 296.
I will be looking for that traffic. Level 6000. We are nav mode. Looks good. Good morning, SoCal. Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, 6000.
Number 484 Hotel Papa, SoCal approach. Roger.
That was easy. All right, things are looking much better now. Autopilot was being a little finicky.
4 Hotel Papa traffic, 11 to 12 o'clock, and about 4 miles opposite direction at 5500 is a VFR Skylane.
Roger, I'll be looking. 4 Hotel Papa, thanks. Kitty corner to us.
4 Hotel Papa, just let me know when you get the weather for Van Nuys. They are ground stopped at Burbank right now. The weather is pretty low on that side.
Roger that. Okay, I will advise as soon as I can pick that up. 4 Hotel Papa, thank you. Checked the weather 15 times today. I better be able to get in or I'm going to be so mad.
I want to give a big shout out to Delete Me for sponsoring this video. Being in the public eye like I am means there is personal information out on the internet everywhere. But did you know that there's a ton of information on you too? We fired up Delete Me, answered a quick questionnaire, and were amazed at how many records came back with personal information. Pops, who many of you know from my videos, couldn't believe that in his first report, 108 data brokers had over 1,300 listings with his information. Data brokers sell your data to companies and individuals looking to use that information for various reasons, including identity theft, phishing scams, harassment, and more. Once the information is found, Delete Me starts a removal process and then generates a report after 7 days on their progress. Delete Me helps keep our family information private, and they can help you too.
You can save 20% by clicking this QR code or by clicking the link down in the description of this video. If you know anybody else that might be interested, they can go to joindeleteme.com/FWK.
VFR, calm, 6 miles visibility, eye clear.
That's that 2901.
Landing and departing runway 16 left and right.
Advise
on initial contact. You have information, Quebec. Van Nuys Airport 86 information, Quebec. 15510.
Corona, just fly VFR
Wind
westbound
calm.
from the airport, return to the
Visibility
frequency.
6. Phase. Sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 17. 2.13.
4 Hotel Papa, traffic no factor.
Altimeter 2.
Roger that. Thank you, 4 Hotel Papa.
Approach in use. Landing and departing runway 16 left and right. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Quebec.
Okay, well, we've got Quebec, winds calm, 6 miles visibility, and sky clear. They are using the ILS 16 approach, but I don't really understand why they would be weather stopped. I mean, I can see it over the mountains here for sure, but interesting. Approach Seneca 484 Hotel Papa. I have the weather at Van Nuys. It sounds like they're reporting sky clear. Do you know what the weather issue is?
Number 4 Hotel Papa, copy that. I was just, I don't know. I can't see the weather for Van Nuys or Burbank, but I do know that they're ground stopped at Burbank for the weather. So I was just giving you the heads up so you can make plans.
Roger that. I really appreciate it. Thank you, 4 Hotel Papa. Interesting. All right. Well, we got 20 minutes. We've got the weather. Let's go here. Let's go take a look at our airport. Traffic pattern altitude 1,900, so that is good. Tower frequency be 119.3. We'll put it in now. I don't really think we're going to be able to use it yet, but we will find out here in just a second. I can definitely see some clouds which we're going to see a lot more in just a second. The good news is that I accounted for this and I still have plenty of fuel on board that if I can't land here for any reason, I can still make it back to Hemet with my reserves. So, speaking of, we will go ahead and lean ourselves out.
Good morning, Cherokee 78, early about depart out of Chino, climbing out of 1,100 up to 2,500.
Number 5189 Lima, SoCal departure, ident, VFR climb 5500 approved.
Ident, climb 5500 approved, 518 Lima.
Doing a little bit less power this way too, so we can save on fuel. And then we will go from there. It's so funny, this
89 Lima, radar contact a mile
mountain range
southwest
kind of
Chino.
blocks it. Let's see, so right now we're burning at roughly 11 gallons or so, 11, 22, and we've got 62 gallons, so we've got almost 3 hours worth of fuel.
Approach Cessna 55201 is outbound on the outbound lane.
Okay.
You are Alpha.
Cessna 291, roger.
NC
VFR
says that the weather is
approved.
absolutely amazing, so we should be good. We just have to get past all of this. Then we should be good to go. Well, this is real life flying, gentlemen. This is it really is one of the biggest reasons why I love being able to travel to other places, because things never quite go as well as you want them to, and they never go according to plan. And that's a good thing, because that keeps you on your toes, that keeps you constantly learning. And as a pilot, being able to say that we are constantly learning every single time, I think is really, really important. I always tell people, if you want to be a pilot but you're not willing to just sit and learn constantly for the rest of your life, then it's probably not for you. All right, I can still see ground. We are going to go over clouds. We are IFR. We are on flight plan, so if we need to, we can definitely do the instrument approach in. We're less than 15 minutes away. 1,900 is going to be our traffic pattern altitude, and if we can, we'll go visual. If we can't, we will come around and shoot the instrument approach. Everything looks pretty good, though. Back to our map. Keep an eye out on traffic. All that good stuff. About 10.5 gallons per side right now. All other gauges are looking good. No traffic issues right now, so that's good too. We've got some wind showing up here, which is causing it to show that our left gear is down, but these lights are definitely not illuminated, so we are good there. Plus, we would definitely feel it if that had just dropped, so we are good there as well.
Cessna or Cherokee 89 Lima, traffic 2 o'clock and less than a mile eastbound, 3200 indicated, type unknown.
Never flown to Van Nuys Airport before. This is fun. This is exciting.
SoCal, Alaska 1290, level 7000, direct to Pomona.
It's looking good. Indicated we're about 140.
777 Foxtrot Echo, checking in.
And manifold pressure is about 28.5, 29 inches, so not bad at all.
777 Fox Echo, SoCal
Our
approach.
ground speed is still almost 170 at 6,000 feet, so that's pretty good.
26 right, depart Pomona 070 degree radial.
Quebec,
I think we got a switch.
26 left for West Coast 3.
Just so you understand, you know they're below minimums in the event of a missed approach. Fly the published missed approach procedure, amend altitude, maintain 3,000 on the go.
We'll fly
Here's our little airplane.
the published and maintain 3,000 on the
Here's
go.
where we're
West Coast.
going. Right outside of yet another Clash Charlie.
West Coast 3 fly heading
If there's one thing I have
080,
noticed, there is a lot of Clash Charlie airports in California.
West Coast 3.
November 4 Hotel Papa, contact approach 124.6.
124.6 for Hotel Papa. Again, always give it a second. Make sure you don't cut anybody off.
Mike, when able to proceed direct Harry's, join the Harry's departure. Trying to maintain flight level 190.
190 direct Harry's, resume departure through for Mike.
Good morning, approach Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, 6,000.
484 Hotel Papa, SoCal approach. Altimeter is 2991. Expect the island Zulu runway 816 right approach.
2991, and could you repeat that approach again for 4 Hotel Papa, please?
Hotel Papa, expect the island Zulu runway 16 right approach.
ILS Zulu 16 right. Okay, I'll expect the ILS Zulu 16 right approach for Hotel Papa, thanks.
There we go.
ILS Zulu, 16 right.
Go Flight 9.
And we'll do vectors
Flight 9,
for
go
right
ahead.
now.
Yeah, the next region we'll go to is 29, so we'll take the Coastal for 29 on this southern pass.
We're good on
Flight 9,
traffic,
right.
so let's go ahead and brief that.
Roger, Big Shot 775, out of 2,000, climb 4,000, heading 210.
Detroit 775, SoCal departure, radar contact, climb maintain 13,000.
Climb
Alright,
maintain
miss.
13,000, Big Shot
Flying to
775.
cross VNY 1.5 DME south of VNY Bluff 1,750, then climbing left turn to 4,600. A lot of VOR, a lot of DMEs, direct. That all looks good. Okay. Hour we've got 119.3. We'll try this again. We put this in earlier, but we'll try this again.
Detroit 775, turn right, heading
Traffic
320.
here.
Right on 320, Big Shot 775.
Number 6420 Bravo,
A little
contact,
surprised
SoCal
he didn't
approach
actually tell us about that, but
125.5.
that's okay.
125.5 to your Bravo, good day.
Okay, so he's clear. All right. So, 6,000. And Fury is going to be our final approach fix, 3,800. Minimums will be, we'll just go ahead and say 1,100 because it's 1,095.
4 Hotel Papa, depart Darts intersection, heading of 320. Darts, after Darts, fly heading 320.
Darts. 20. Okay, after I reach Darts, I'll turn to heading 320 for Hotel Papa.
You?
You'll notice this is a lot different than the kind of flying that we normally do. There's a lot of instruction being given, and I am writing everything down. If I even question anything, I'm going to ask, because there is no reason to assume that I know things. One, obviously, I don't want to cause a problem, an accident, or an incident. And two, I don't want to make ATC's job even harder. I mean, they're very, very busy. There's a lot of airspaces around here. There's a lot of aircraft.
Ignore momentarily
So
traffic,
we are
11
going to reach
10
Darts
o'clock,
in
3 miles
4.5
westbound,
miles, and once we reach there, we will turn to heading mode on for the autopilot and turn to heading 320, which we're going to go ahead
Hotel
and set here.
Papa, traffic 1 to 12 o'clock and 5 miles southeast bound. We turn to eastbound 7,000 Cirrus.
Roger, I'll be looking for Hotel Papa, thanks. All right, 3.5 miles now. Traffic is going to be right in front of us. 3 miles. Still looking good on fuel, still looking for traffic, 1,000 feet above us. There's a lot to see out there. 2 miles in front of us.
Traffic inside, no factor.
And he saw us first. Lame. Oh, got him.
There's 4 Juliet Romeo, descend and maintain 5,000.
5,000?
7 Foxtrot Echo, descend and maintain 7,000.
0.2, there we go.
7,000.
Heading mode. All right, the approach is activated. Radar vectors, 6,000, heading 320. Approximately 22 miles away, roughly 8 minutes. The weather's really nice over here. Luckily, we're not going that direction.
All right, ONAV to 29 and 28.5.
A lot of people wanted to fly this direction today. Honestly, can't say I blame them with the weather that's over there right now. Alright, still doing good on fuel. All good, still in the green and looking
Foxtrot
good.
Echo, contact approach 120.4.
120.4, 7 Foxtrot Echo.
4 Hotel Papa, approach 120.4.
120.4, take care, 4 Hotel Papa.
On heading 330, and vectors into Van Nuys.
Plus 176, you up?
Yep, checking in 8,000, Southwest 176.
Plus 176, SoCal, approach altimeter 2991, descend and maintain 6,000, expedite down for traffic.
Alright, 2991, we'll expedite now for Southwest 176.
Approach Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, 6,000, heading 320.
484 Hotel Papa, SoCal approach, Roger, you're number 4.
Number 4, 4 Hotel Papa.
Number 4 for Sierra, resume navigation.
Jet 330 is checking out 9,000 for 8,000, we have Quebec.
Jet 330 SoCal approach altimeter 29991, expect to ILO Zulu 16 right, fly present heading for sequence, reduce speed to 210.
Speed 210, present heading, expect ILO Zulu 16 right, Jet 330.
Number 7 Fox Echo, left turn, heading up 290.
Left to 290, 7 Foxtrot Echo.
7 Fox Echo, traffic in the turn, 12 o'clock, 5 miles of southwest 737, 7 for 6,000.
We'll be watching for him. We got him inside 7 Foxtrot Echo.
Foxtrot Echo, roger, just maintain the separation with that traffic, descend and maintain 6,000.
Right, we'll maintain separation and descend to 6,000, 7 Foxtrot Echo.
176 traffic at your 9 o'clock, 4 miles northwestbound at Beach Jet 746 has you in sight, maintaining visual, will pass behind. They're going to Van Nuys.
Okay, thanks, Southwest 176.
Jet 330, descend and maintain 7,000.
7,000, Jet 330.
For 7 Fox Echo, reduce speed to 210.
Reducing to 210, 7 Fox Echo.
Beach Jet 7 Fox Echo, you are cleared to Isla Zulu 16 right.
Cleared for the ILS for 16 right. 7 Fox
Come on,
Echo.
zoom out.
For Hotel Papa, right turn, heading up 350.
Right heading 350 for Hotel Papa.
And SoCal Station, November 96 Golf, leveling 8,000 with information, Quebec
How
to Van Nuys.
pretty.
96 Golf, SoCal approach altimeter 29991, reduce speed to
Nice because it's not
210,
super
descend and
hot,
maintain
so it's not
7,000.
bumpy.
Reduce speed to 210, descend maintain 7,000, 96 Golf.
Jet 330 cross Umber at 6,000, cleared Isla Zulu 16 right.
Cross number 6,000, cleared ILS Zulu 16 right, Jet 330.
Number 440 LA Center 125.8, have a good day.
Good day, 440.
Back to
119.3, 7 Foxtrot Echo.
Number 4 Hotel Papa, traffic's at 11 o'clock, about 4 miles, turning inbound to Umber, citation 7,000, there'll be traffic to follow.
Roger, looking for 484 Hotel Papa. Probably right underneath my engine because I cannot see them.
November 96 Golf, traffic off to the left, 3 miles northbound 6,000, they're going to follow you and expect to be lower in a couple miles.
Next look at the traffic for 96 Golf, and after Umber, you want us to start the approach.
Golf is join at Umber.
Umber, 96 Golf.
Approach Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, I've got the traffic to follow.
While we maintain visual separation of that traffic, left turn, heading to 290.
Left turn heading 290 for Hotel Papa.
We'll verify maintain visual.
Maintain visual for Hotel Papa.
November 96 Golf, traffic has you in sight, cleared Isla Zulu 16 right.
Okay, clear ILS Zulu 16 right, Van Nuys, Station 96 Golf, thank you.
For Hotel Papa, left turn, heading up 260.
260 now to the left for Hotel Papa.
Jet 330, reduce speed to 180, contact Van Nuys Tower 119.3.
180, Tower 193, Jet 330.
96 Golf, reduce speed to 180, Van Nuys Airport, 12 o'clock, 12 miles if you want the visual.
Reducing to 180 and 96 Golf looking in, thank you.
And I lost him. Where'd you go? There you are. Okay.
96 Golf, looks like you're off course a little bit. Do you need a vector?
Oh yeah, we're getting back on course now, 96 Golf, thank you.
6 Golf, Roger, descend and maintain 5,000, cleared Isla Zulu 16 right. Number 4 Hotel Papa, 5 from Janat, left turn heading 190, maintain 5,000 till established, cleared Isla Zulu 16 right.
Left turn 190, descend maintain 5,000 until established. Cleared for the ILS 16 right for Hotel Papa, thanks. 190.
96 Golf, you appear to be a little bit high. You going to make it down?
5,000. Oh, we get established. Already on our tower. And here we go. Let's go nav mode. And let's go ahead and start losing that altitude.
Port side, 96 Golf.
SoCal approach, Piper Aero 2, November 436 Tango, just departed Whiteman 4 miles north, 3,400, going to be staying east of the Santa Clarita practice area.
Number 96 Golf, traffic's at 11 o'clock, 2 miles northbound, 3,500 indicated.
Looks traffic, airport side, 96 Golf.
Golf, clear visual approach, turn 16 right.
There's approach 16 right, 96 Golf, looks covered.
4306 Tango, remain east of the localizer, altimeter 29901, stay aircraft type.
2991, Piper Aero 2, 4306 Tango.
06 Tango Squawk 0205.
0205, 4306 Tango.
Alright, everything looking good. Increase our mixture just a
96
tad.
Golf, traffic stone factor, thanks for the help. Contact Van Nuys Tower 119.3.
Okay, anytime, we're going to Tower 19.3, 96 Golf, good day.
06 Tango, ready to contact 5 northwest of Van Nuys Airport.
4306 Tango, service.
Approach Big Stripe 103, level 8000 with Bravo.
Stripe 103, successful approach, altimeter 29901, 8 is Bravo's current at Burbank, expect Isla Zulu at 8.
Roger, we've got Bravo and we'll expect the Island Zulu runway 8, Big Stripe 103.
At the field in sight. Approach Seneca 484 Hotel Papa. I've got the field in sight, requesting to switch to a visual approach.
Hello, clear visual approach, 16 right.
Cleared visual approach, 16 right, 4 Hotel Papa. Thank you.
For Hotel Papa, contact Van Nuys Tower 119.3.
Over to tower. Have a good day, 4 Hotel Papa.
Stripe 1.
Turn base at the 118. Traffic will be in position. Expect land clearance about 2 mile final.
Turn base at the 118, 4-5 direction.
Jet 330, expedite through Kilo, turn left on Bravo, traffic on final for that runway.
Yep, through Kilo left on Bravo, Jet 330, over Bravo.
Van Nuys Tower, Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, checking in.
Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, Van Nuys Tower, continue from runway 16 right, reduce your final approach speed.
Reduce to final approach speed and continue 16 right, 4 Hotel Papa.
Number 9 X-ray, turn base.
Turning base, 4-5 direction.
Below 130, 33. There we go. Gears coming down.
Number 4 Hotel Papa, you're going to be number 2 to follow Piper, 12 o'clock, 3 miles right base, 2,300 indicated. You're currently about 50 knots faster.
Roger, slowing down now. Just put the gear and the flaps in, so that should help you out. Looking for traffic to follow number 2, 4 Hotel Papa.
Good. November 7 Papa uniform, correction, November 541, runway 16 right, line up and wait, traffic, 2.5 mile
We're
final
going to go
Piper.
down to 1900, and we're going to slow down.
November 9 X-ray, as you turn final traffic, head into left Piper for the parallel.
I got traffic inside, 459 direction. Good. Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 9536 Delta, holding short of 16 right at Charlie, requesting right crosswind departure.
S is good, undercarriage is good,
459
full
Delta Van Nuys Tower,
here.
stand by.
Drops.
November 96 Golf, turn left right at Papa, contact ground point 7.
It's
The Papa, ground point 7, 96 Golf. Actually, you said we're not Papa, go take the next one for 96 Golf.
96 Golf, Roger, expedite to Quebec, turn left to right, Quebec, contact ground point 7.
Dunk Quebec, we'll expedite ground point 7, 96 Golf, thank you.
Van Nuys Tower 1882 Sierra, holding short 16 right, requesting closed traffic.
November 541, runway 16 right, clip takeoff, right downwind departure, through to the flood basin.
53541, clear for takeoff, right downwind departure over the flood basin.
November 93 X-ray, go around and turn westbound and for resequencing.
We're going around, turn westbound, frequency 459 X-ray.
November 7 Papa uniform, expedite departure, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Departure, clear for takeoff, 47 Papa.
November 93 X-ray, continue right downwind turn back to the, to follow Seneca about 2 mile final.
Turning for a downwind, 459 X-ray.
November 7 Papa uniform, clear for immediate takeoff.
Immediate takeoff, 7 Papa uniform.
November 93 X-ray, I'll call your base. Selector 514, Van Nuys Tower, cross runway 16 left to Charlie, runway and hold short of runway 16 right, landing traffic.
Alright, cross 16 left on Charlie and hold short of 16 right, flight jet 5614.
There's 2 red, 2 white. That looks good.
November 4 Hotel Papa, runway 16 right, clear to land.
16 right, clear to land. 4 Hotel Papa, thank you.
November 9 direct, I'll call your base.
You'll call our base, 459 direction.
All right, speed's 90, still on glide slope. Everything is looking good. Excellent. A little bit of wind, per usual.
November 541, are you going out New Hall or Santa Susana?
New Hall 541.
541, Roger, do you want flight following?
Agent 541, just 4,500, 541.
Structure 514, runway 16 right, line up and wait, traffic beyond 2.5 mile right base, pipe for additional traffic across downfield.
Line up and wait, 16 right, flex jet 514.
November 9 direct, straight base, and approved, continue traffic in position.
Turning base, 459 direction.
November 541, what was the destination?
Gonna clear practice area 541.
November 541, Roger, squawk 0237.
0237 541.
Thanks again, Delete Me, for sponsoring this video. To get your data removed from the internet, check out Delete Me via the link in my description. You'll get 20% off.